Remember when we talked about the Figure 02 robot a few days ago? Back then, it was all about the hype, right? We had a few specs, some buzz. But now, with the full details out, I gotta tell you, this thing is absolutely insane. What we're looking at is a legitimate breakthrough in humanoid robotics, and that's not even the wildest part. Oh no, there's more. Imagine this. A robot dentist just performed fully autonomous dental surgery on a live patient, no human intervention. That's right, a robot did surgery by itself. I know, it sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now in 2024. Let me break down why these developments are such a huge deal. Cut to a close-up of the host, leaning forward. Let's kick things off with the Figure 02 robot. First off, the design, it's sharp. Figure 01, if you remember, had that chunky, chrome, almost medieval knight look, right? Cool, but bulky. Figure 02. Oh, it's gone full on sleek mode. Matte black finish, almost like a high-end sports car, sleek, fast, and efficient. It's like comparing a tank to a Ferrari. Cut to footage of the Figure 02 robot working in an industrial setting. The reason for this upgrade is pretty simple. Figure 01 was all about testing. It had to be over-engineered for durability, with cables exposed for easy fixes. But Figure 02. This is the real deal, designed for real-world production lines. All the wiring is tucked away inside its limbs, keeping it protected from harsh factory environments, and making it look so much cleaner. Cut to close-up shots of the robot's hands and torso. Now, let's talk about those hands, 16 degrees of freedom. That means this thing moves its fingers and wrists with nearly human-like flexibility. But don't be fooled by the finesse, this robot's got power. Figure 02 can lift up to 55 pounds, which is a significant boost from Figure 01's limit of 44 pounds. The goal is to have the robot handle objects like a human, and guess what? They're getting really close. Scene transitions to footage of the Figure 02's AI and vision systems in action. But here's where things get even more interesting. It's not just muscle, it's brains too. Figure 02 is equipped with 6 onboard cameras, giving it a full view of its surroundings. These cameras feed into a vision language model that helps the robot analyze what it's seeing, whether it's picking up objects, dodging obstacles, or navigating a complex environment, completely autonomously. And the kicker? This robot can respond to voice commands, kind of like having a conversation with ChatGPT, except it's standing right in front of you. You say, "Hey Figure, where does this plate go?" And it actually responds, "The plate goes in the drying rack." Yeah, it's that smart. Cut to footage of Figure 02 interacting with people in real time. And the craziest part? This isn't some far-off future tech, it's happening now. Figure AI has already partnered with BMW, deploying these robots in real factories. This isn't just a fancy demo. This thing is out there, learning, working, and improving in real industrial settings. Scene transition to footage of a robotic dentist performing surgery. Alright, if that wasn't enough to blow your mind, let me hit you with something even crazier: autonomous dental surgery. For the first time ever, a robot dentist performed fully autonomous surgery on a live patient. No humans involved. This is a game changer. Imagine a future where dental procedures are faster, more accurate, and way less stressful. No more waiting rooms, no more nerve-wracking drills in your mouth, just a precise, efficient robot handling the procedure. Cut to a futuristic-looking dental clinic with the robot at work. The company behind this innovation, Perceptive, has combined AI, robotics, and 3D imaging to create a robot that can perform dental procedures like placing crowns in under 15 minutes. To put that into perspective, a procedure that usually takes 2 separate visits can now be done in less time than it takes to watch an episode of your favorite show. And get this, The robot uses optical coherence technology, which means no radiation exposure, unlike traditional X-rays. Scene shows a robotic arm performing the procedure while the host narrates. What's really mind-blowing is how accurate this thing is. Over 90% success rate. And it's not just pulling teeth and placing crowns. This robot is diagnosing and treating issues with precision that's nearly unmatched. Imagine a future where you have your own AI dentist robot at home. Sounds crazy, right? But with these advancements, it's not as far off as you think. Scene transitions to the host back in the futuristic room, facing the camera. We're talking about robots that are smarter, stronger, and more capable than we ever imagined, and this is just the beginning. We've got robots in factories, performing surgeries, and who knows what's next. One thing's for sure, humanoid robots are no longer just a concept, they're a reality. And we're only going to see more of them as companies like Figure AI, Perceptive, and OpenAI continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. So, if you thought robots were still a thing of the future, think again. This is happening right now. Keep an eye on this space because it's only going to get more exciting from here. Outro scene, the host smiles and leans back in their chair. Alright, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this breakdown of cutting-edge AI and robotics, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay excited, and keep an eye on the future.